Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a stunning photo manipulation effect using Photoshop. So let's begin. Now already I have created a canvas in Photoshop. From the toolbar I'll select T and type C. Now I'm gonna enlarge this T. Okay, this is enough. So what I will do is I'll apply a 3D effect on this alphabet. To do this, I am pressing Ctrl T from the keyboard and pressing the right arrow only one time from the keyboard, then pressing enter. Now press Ctrl Alt Shift T from the keyboard and keep pressing the T, and new layers will be created. Create at least 40 layers. I have created 41 layers, and now I will make them group. Press Ctrl G from the keyboard and bring back the group of the alphabet. Now we don't see the impact. This is because the shadow and the alphabet color is the same. So I'm changing the alphabet color to little darker. Now we see the impact and effect. Okay, now I am bringing this image, this animal image, which is tiger, to the stage, and by pressing Ctrl T from the keyboard and right click, make flip horizontal. Now I will duplicate this tiger image into 3 pieces, and one I will bring under the alphabet and above the shadow, 3D shadow, and I will make clipping mask. You see the layer of the tiger is clipped to the shadow. I name this group name is shadow. Okay, so now I have another one of tiger. I will also clipping mask this to the alphabet, and this one is clip, and we have remained this one. We'll make this one transparent using quick selection tool. By keeping selected the quick selection tool, we'll go to the option bar and select the subject button. The tiger is automatically selected. Now from the layers panel, I will click on the add layer mask. You see the result. Maybe we can hide the top 2 layers, and I will apply a filter which is exposure. The exposure, I will make it negative exposure and make a clipping mask to the picture. Only this exposure will be applied into this picture, not to the background. Okay, you see the result. If I make visible the top 2 layer, you will see the impact. You see there is unnecessary area which is visible out of the alphabet. We will remove this. To remove this, I will select the brush tool. Make sure the black color is selected. Also make sure this mask rectangle area is selected. Now keep removing this area which I don't want to see. Okay, I don't want to see this area as well, this area, but not this area, because I want to see this area. Okay, this is partially done, and now I will make a master group using all of them in layers panel. Press Ctrl G from keyboard, rename it to main, and make a duplicate of this group. To do this, press Ctrl J from this keyboard and bring back to the main one. And now we have two design which is duplicate, so that we don't see the difference. Now I will select the main copy, then press Ctrl T from the keyboard, then right click on the selected area and make it flip vertical. Okay, let's see, and bring to the bottom area of this main design. And we can apply a shadow between these two. To do this, I will create a new layer between these two grooves and select the brush tool again. Make sure the black is selected. Also make sure the soft round is selected from the option bar. Now I will make the size bigger. Simply click on the stage. You see a shadow is created. Now I will select it by Ctrl T, then make it narrow. I am making it narrow pressing the shift key and dragging with the mouse. Okay, a subtle shadow is added. Now I will apply the reflection effect on the bottom part. So I am selecting the bottom part and adding add layer mask button. You see a rectangle is created, which is the mask, and keep selected this rectangle, then select the gradient tool from the toolbar, and from the option bar make sure the black and white gradient is selected. Now drag from the bottom to top of this group. You see the result, and we can less the opacity of this part. Maybe opacity can be 50. Yeah, to make it 50, what I did, only select this layer and press 5 to make it 50. If you press 6, the opacity will be 60%. If you 10, the opacity will be 10%. So I am getting back to 50% by pressing 5 from keyboard. Okay, now I will make a background image. Now I will make the gradient background. To do this, I am selecting the background and going to effects button to add the layer style, going gradient overlay, and yeah, you can change the color from here. Maybe you can change the color to, yeah, okay. I am taking the color from the design to make it match. Okay, now I am selecting another point, selecting on the color and selecting the okay, I am fine with this color. I'm pressing OK, and it is. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and like, share my video. Thank you very much.